Getting dirty in there, how do you stop them from like contaminating things like ice cores with their hands and stuff?
That's a very good question. So what we have here is a face mask which you can put on. And that will stop any fluids from you if you're leaning over the ice from dripping down. And then you would normally be wearing warm clothing in there, so you have a warm glove. And then you have another glove.
Wrong way.
Will fit.
And then you got big fingers. Wrong way. You got like octopus
And if you have 5 fingers, it should fit in. And so this way then we have of keeping any contamination from your hands, so you can move and touch the cores and collect all the samples that way. So this protects you from your hands, this protects you from the nose, and the rest of your body you'd be wearing warm clothing on the outsides, which we have specifically for working in here.
Why do you have to clean your shoes when you're going
into the freezer? This mat here, which you might be able to hear that on camera, it's cleaning the dirt off the bottom of my shoes. And the reason that is important is because Antarctica is a very clean place, and we're measuring tiny concentrations in the ice cores. We look at things in parts per billion. That's 1 part per billion parts of water. And then we're looking at small changes in that through time. So we have to avoid contaminating the ice that we're measuring here with any dirt that we bring from the outside. So what's on the bottom of my shoe here today is probably the total amount of dust that would be in one storm in Antarctica. So we have to try and take this contamination away. So we do a series of steps to do that. This is one of the first steps, and then we'll move into the freezer, and we can show you some other things that we do to minimize contamination.